Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic about the SEO option. So that SEO, how we helping for particular users for static and HTML and PHP website. So first of all here, selecting one of the website. So we are using dynamic pages will be admin panel. So we're coming to the static pages like a home page, about our blog pages are there. So how we can writing for the particular pages into the particular option, how we writing for SEO on page option. First of all, page wise you can prepare the SEO on page. So how we can update by using control panel on the particular pages. First of all, I select by the home page. See the my home page, title description keyword. Nothing will be there. Title description keyword, nothing will be there. So what we can do, we can updating for my content. So what is my content? Go to cpanel, file manager. This is will be complete depend on website. The code will be happen in your particular web pages. So in this particular update it, refresh, now check, control F5. So this code will be updated by the your particular option. So in this, so in a small change will be here, all is there. So we can repeating is the rest will be particular option. So that is called, we can remove the long title. So this will be United States. Next, write your description. The description will be updating more important. Now, previous description like this. Now you can refresh. After that, you will be activating your particular option. So any changes will be happening, we can check it out. So next, and keywords. So we can updating by the keyword option. Where here is a keyword, copy, and your domain name keyword must and should important. So this is a keyword and refresh it. So this will be refreshing for your particular keyword option. So description will be happen and keyword will be happen your particular website. Now you can refresh it. So in this here, what are the option will be here? You can check it out your particular methods. So that is the we can using option. So we'll go back. So you can refresh. So we can using this option and this method will updating for your particular instance. So what are the update you done by your backend? Immediately will be affected by your front end option. So that all will be designed by the developer. The code will be happen your particular website holders. So there is a compulsory important for particular user to updating the code here. So now updating for code here. So I copy. Where is my description? Refresh. Next will be keyword. Again refresh it. Now you can refresh the option here. So this is called your title and your description will be happen. This will be home page. Next coming to your service page. So we'll check by service page here. So I'm not give the proper title description. So what are the page can you develop? We can finishing for particular option will be here. So where it is called service page. Right click, edit now. SEO title, what are the keywords you have. Just I'm showing for where you can update the code will be here. So that will be happen your particular website. So what are the services we can update it be here. So we are updating for your particular keywords also. Updated by the keywords. So previous nothing will be there. Now you can refresh. So this is called we updating for title, description and keyword option on the particular pages. Next will be blog. So blog also will be same. I'm not writing any title, description, keyword. So we can updating for particular web pages. Same we go to the here. Where is the blog pages? Right click, edit. We are in changing this option. So save changes. Next, what is the description? So update it. Your particular title and description and keyword. So previous nothing is there. You can check it out. Now you can refresh. So depend on website, you can update the all keywords. Now you can refresh. The updating for your particular options are here. What are the changes you can happen easily? We can change will be your particular option. So United States. So simple. You can see first years will be there. Now refresh. They will be changing immediately. So what are the content changing static pages that all will be following the cPanel. If anybody not have a cPanel, download the file will be file zip option and update on your offline, upload on the online option. If you have any doubts will be there, just you can go with the steps and follow the instruction. Before any changes, you take the backup from your website, so the easy will be happen to change the content. No need to worry about that your particular options is easily will be updated by the every pages on a particular website. So this will be happen to updating for static pages to writing a on-page skills by using cPanel, perfect title, description and keywords for each and every page. Before index this option, compulsory your method, depend on website, the options are valid on the particular pages. Follow these instructions, add your content, promote your pages. So any further important pages, I'll show you how you can adding the particular content. Any further doubts about your website writing the static pages, writing on page off page, you can tell me. I'll show you how you writing for proper title, description, keyword. So this is video for understanding how you can understanding for writing SEO title, description, keyword option. So this is follow this my steps. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.